I am a person who constantly explores more efficient methods to generate a lot of money from the financial markets automatically. 4 months ago, I created VixiBot. VixiBot is a Forex trading robot. This is how it works. There are two instances of VixiBot. The first instance is for buy and the second instance is for sell. Just like other trading bots, if your VixiBot sell instance execute a sell position here and the market goes its direction, you are going to be on profit when it hits TP, of course. But in a case that it execute a sell position on this intersection price and the market did not go its direction, in the case of this video or this chart, it goes up. If the market goes up to a certain point, it is going to execute another trade at this point whenever it finds a signal, and once it is executing the trade, it is going to increment the trading lot size by 1.6. But if the market keep going up, like in the case of these charts, whenever VixiBot finds another signal to execute another sell position, it is going to confirm the threshold between the previous executed position and the current price of that new signal. If that threshold is reached, then it is going to execute another position. In the case of these candlesticks, let's assume that our VixiBot has executed up to 10 positions. Where it gets interesting is that whenever the market is about to revise, like in the case of this price that the market revised here, VixiBot is going to execute a buy position, and this occurs on and on and on. That's brought about the idea of top and bottom sniping robots. Rather than executing trades here, and here, we can just simulate the trades and wait for a buy signal to occur. Whenever a buy signal occurs, we consider it as a reversal, and that's where we are going to wait for a sell signal to execute. But nothing is 100%, so this does not mean that all the time the market is going to revise. The market can also go against it once it executes the trade. And if you want to increment your lot size, you can set it on your top and bottom sniping robot to increment the lot size, just like VixiBot. I am going to explain that later in this video. So the top sniping robot waits for a buy signal when there are already sell open simulated trades. And the buy signal is going to be a symbol of a reversal, that the market is about to go down. This occurs in a high volatile market. And this gets me to the second point, which is, you might ask, why is it that I am building this technique in another trading robot? The reason is because this trading system waits for high volatile markets. So there are going to be some days, like 2 to 3 days, that you would not find a high volatile market. And in that scenario, there's not going to be trade. But VixiBot will execute trade in any given point it finds a signal. Doesn't matter if the market is so volatile or not, because VixiBot was designed to day trade. Top sniping robot was designed to capture the top of the candlestick after it's already bullish for a long time. And the same thing applies to the bottom. Now that you have come to know how your Forex top and bottom sniping robot works, let's dive into what are the meanings of your top and bottom sniping robot and how to set it up. On your folder of your top and bottom sniping robots, just double click it to open it and then copy the two files, which is the top sniping robot as well as the bottom sniping Forex robot. Open your MetaTrader 5 platform, and then when you get to your MetaTrader 5, click on Files and then click on Open Data folder. Click on MQL5 folder. Click on Experts folder and then paste your top and bottom sniping robot here. When you are done, cancel and then navigate to your navigator, that is your MetaTrader 5 navigator. If you don't see this navigator at this point, just click on View and then click on Navigator. Then you are going to see your navigators pop up. Under this Expert Advisors tab, right click on it and click on Refresh. Then when you scroll down, you should see your top sniping Forex robot as well as your bottom sniping Forex robots. The next thing that you are going to do after this first step is going to be to set up your MetaTrader 5 platform to be able to send notifications to Telegram and also to be able to execute trade automatically. So the first step is to click on this algo button. You can see in this case, it is turned off. So click on it to turn on. And when you are done, click on tools and then click on options. Then tick on allow algorithmic trading. Already we have turned it on here, but if you want it to be automatically on always, just tick it here. You can uncheck disable algorithmic trading when the account has been changed, and you can also uncheck disable algorithmic trading when the profile has been changed if you wish. In the case of this video, I'm going to untick because I don't want it. Make sure that your allow DLL imports is tick, and then tick allow web request for the listed URL. Now this is going to be the URL you are going to input here to be able to send notifications directly from your MetaTrader 5 to your Telegram. So just type https://api.telegram.org. Double click on this section and then type this URL. There's going to be a link in the description to copy and paste this URL. When you are done, click on enter on your keyboard and then click on OK. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your MetaTrader 5 to be ready to execute sniping trades. Next thing that you are going to do is to close all your charts on your MetaTrader 5 platform. I'm going to click here to close my chart, close all and allow it to be blank in this way. Then right click on the market watch. If you don't see market watch at the left corner of your MetaTrader 5 panel, just click on view and then click on market watch. Then you are going to see your market watch pop up. Now right click on your market watch and click on hide all. Now you can see that we have successfully hide all the symbols. The reason why we need to hide all the symbols is because your top and bottom sniping robot is only going to go to this market watch and find top and bottom for the symbols that are inside the market watch. So we need to hide all the symbols and then add your own favorite symbols that you want your top and bottom sniping robots to execute trade. In this scenario, I'm going to right click on it and click on symbols, and then when you get to symbols, you can add your Forex symbols. Like I'm using pro demo account of FBS at the moment. So you can click on any symbols you wish to add, double click on it, and you are going to see it appearing on the market watch. So pause this video right now and go ahead and add your symbols. When you are done, come back and click play. Okay, now what you are going to do is to click on any symbol you want to apply your top and bottom sniping robot to into the chart. So I am going to click on any symbol, for example, let's say Euro USD, drag it to the charts and also drag it again up to 3 places. Okay, and then maximize it. So you can now have Euro USD 1, 2, 3 here. It can be any symbol, must not be only Euro USD. Navigate through your navigator and then get back to your navigator and then drag your top sniping Forex robot into the chart. Click on input. For now, I am just going to set my parameters and then click on OK. Then later on, I am going to explain all the meanings of these parameters. So this is where you are going to set your license key. If I expand this and you are going to see, this is where you are going to set your license key, and this is where you are going to input your Telegram ID to receive notifications on Telegram. So let's go ahead and get our Telegram ID. Now navigate to your Telegram and search Forex top and bottom underscore bots. Note the N is only N. There's going to be a link on the description of this video for you to click on the bots. Once you click on it, you are going to see start. Click on start button. Once you click on that start button, it is not going to reply any message because this bot is not hosted. It's only used to send notifications. But you need to initialize the bot to send you a message by first sending it a message. So you can click on start to send it a message, or you can just send it anything you wish to send. Once you have sent it a message for the first time, then you have initialized it to send you a message. When you are done, search for Floronics Trade Alert _ bots. There's going to be a link in the description as well. Then click on it and then open the bot and then click on start, or click on menu and then click on start. Then click on my ID. Then you are going to see your Telegram ID. Now copy that your Telegram ID and navigate to your trading bots, which is your top sniping Forex robot, and then paste it where you see your Telegram ID. So I'm going to pause this video right here and input my parameters, and then when you are done setting up those two parameters, then click on OK and then wait for it to load on the chart before you go ahead and install the bottom sniping Forex robot. Once it is successfully loaded, you are going to see this panel. Now click on the second chart, drag your bottom sniper Forex robot to the second chart and continue with setting up your parameters. And then when you are done, click on OK. So you are going to see your top and bottom sniper robot version 1.0 on your chart. So you can drag the panel to anywhere you wish to drag it to. Okay. So now you can see here high frequency trading, and this sniper is to buy only bottom, while this second sniper is to sell at the top. This nearing symbol is what I am going to explain later on this video. And this is where you can type in a symbol and click on close to close all the trades. For example, if you have manually added some position, which is something I am going to teach you to do so that you can increase your earnings. So if you have any symbol that you have added manually, or you feel like to close any symbol at all, you can type in the symbol name here and then click on close. Then all the trades of that symbols is going to close. Remember the prefix of that symbol for any broker that you are typing the symbol. And the symbol here is not case sensitive, so you can type it in lowercase or uppercase or mixed case, doesn't matter. That's exactly how you can load your top and bottom sniper robot into your MetaTrader 5. Okay, let's consider the meaning of the setting parameters of your top and bottom sniper robots.
Hey, it's me.